In this video, I'm going to discuss about how you can actually detect whether a particular text is generated by AI or humans. So this is a new tool introduced by OpenAI, which has just released the ChatGPT just a few months ago, and it has got a lot of traction in the world. So let's look at this new AI classifier for indicating the AI written text. So basically, this classifier is trained to distinguish between the AI written text and the human written text, but actually there are some limitations at this moment. For example, based on the evaluations on a challenge set of English text, the classifier correctly identifies only 26% of AI written as likely AI written. So that means it has only about 26% success rate on identifying the AI written text, and also it incorrectly labeled the human written text as AI written by 9% of the time. So that means some text which are written actually by human is labeled as AI written by this particular classifier. So there are some limitations here, and also this classifier is in the process of improving. So basically they are actually training more data into this classifier to make it work good. So there are some limitations as well. So let me click this try the classifier. So it will open this AI text classifier to distinguish between the human written text and also the AI written text. So let's look at the limitations. So if you want to classify a text using this classifier, you need a minimum of 1000 characters or approximately 150 to 250 words. And the classifier isn't always accurate. It can mislabel both AI generated and human written text. AI generated text can be edited easily to avoid the classifier. So basically you can actually write a text, a long, very long text using AI, and you can simply make small changes as human like, and it can be edited, and this classifier can be tricked by using that. And the classifier is likely to get things wrong on the text written by children and not on the text on English. So that means this classifier is mainly trained on the English language. So if you have generated text in a different language using AI, then this won't be much useful for you, because at the moment they are suitable for the English content and also the written by adults. So basically we can try the classifier. So you just need to paste the text which you want to test using this classifier, and you can submit, and the result will be displayed over here. So let me so this is ChatGPT. As you know, it is one of the great tool to get a lot of help, such as content creation, summarization, even coding, those kind of things. So what I did was I actually generated an article using ChatGPT on the topic of AI for marketing. So this is actually a AI generated text. Let me use this AI text classifier to see what it says. So let me paste it over here. So I have pasted that particular article on AI marketing. So let me submit and see what it says. The classifier considers this text to be unclear if it is AI generated. So actually this is AI generated, but this classifier is confused to make a decision over here. So I am going to do another prompt over here. Make this article like a human. Make this article in a human voice. In a human voice. So let's after it get me the output, I'm going to paste this same text to that particular classifier and to see how it works. So let's wait till this generated. So let me start copying over here. So it's still generating, so let me copy. So let's see what it says. Finally, so I think we are in the final stages of this article. So after this is done, so the conclusion is over here. I'm going to copy this article over there and see the output. So this is the, so let me input this text over here and submit. So let's check the results over here. So the classifier considers the text to be unclear if it is AI generated. So it's actually unclear for this classifier. So now I am going to copy an article from Forbes, so which is created using humans for sure, and paste it over here. So let me copy this article over here on Forbes and paste over there to see how this works. Alright, so it's a very long article, I guess. So let's see. So let's see what it says. So classifiers here, let me put, alright, it hasn't, so let me remove this thing. Alright, so let's test this. So the classifier considered the text to be very unlikely AI generated. So that means it is most likely generated by human. So which is true because this is a Forbes article, and this article for sure is created by humans. So it has, in this test, it has actually correctly identified. So this is just a few examples to show you how this works. You can actually play around with ChatGPT and paste those articles over here to see what it says. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, add in the comments. Thank you.